Snog, marry, kill. Gordon Ramsay, Jamie Oliver, and that guy from Great British Bake Off.
Marry Jamie.
Maybe he'll convert. Were you serious about getting out of here? If you're in, you're in.
Sisters, I am blessed to guide you on your journey. Our own families can't understand our choices. Western society has warped their views.
Can't go home. There's no way I'm going back, man. Don't answer it.
Do you think they'll call the police?
Who's gonna give a shit about two brown girls?
Girls, is it your first time in Turkey?
Yeah.
It's not safe for you to travel like this on your own.
You don't wanna go. You would've lost 5 minutes out there. Go on, run back home to mummy.
Maybe it's not too late.
It is for me.
What have you done with my daughter, please?
Mom?
Don't, baby.
There's a road in front of you.
No!
But it breaks into two. You must choose one path.
It's not about what we left behind. It's about what's ahead.